Imagine turning the key on a cold morning, and instead of a smooth idle, your diesel engine coughs, sputters, and spits out a cloud of embarrassing black smoke. That is the frustrating reality of a P06C1 trouble code. This code specifically points to a range or performance issue with the glow plug circuit on cylinder number 9T.8. Now, unlike gas engines that use spark plugs to ignite the fuel, your diesel relies on high compression and heat. That is where the glow plug comes in. It is a little heating element that gets red hot to help the cylinder reach the right temperature for combustion. When the powertrain control module, or PCM, sees that the voltage on the glow plug for cylinder 9 does not match what it expects, it throws this code. It is crucial that you verify exactly which cylinder is number 9 on your specific engine, because getting the wrong one is a common headache. You might see a check engine light, experience hard starting, or notice that the engine sounds rough until it warms up. So how do we fix this without throwing parts at it? First, grab a digital multimeter. You will want to check the resistance of the glow plug itself. A great trick that service manuals often skip is the visual test. If you take the glow plug out and carefully apply battery voltage to it, the tip should glow bright red almost immediately. If it stays dark or only glows halfway up, it is trash. But be careful. That tip gets incredibly hot instantly. If the plug is fine, check the wiring and the glow plug module. Sometimes a fuse looks good visually but fails under load, so always test your fuses while the circuit is active to be 100% sure. Don't let a small electrical gremlin trick you into thinking your engine is dying. Often, it is just this one small part needing a swap.